Today we're gonna learn how to log into your Netflix account. If you have created your account of Netflix and if you have subscribed to Netflix, you'll need to log in to start watching videos. You can either use the web browser and search for netflix.com, or you can use the desktop app or the mobile app. For this video we're gonna use the web browser, so just search for netflix.com. Once you land here, you just click on the sign in option on the top right and a login box will open up. You just type in your email address or your phone number that you used while creating an account. Make sure you use the same email address or the phone number and then just type in the password. If you don't remember your password, you can just click on need help. And from here you can just reset your password. And if you want this device to remember you, the next time you open up Netflix, you just check this box and then click on sign in. If the details that you enter were correct, you will be logged into your Netflix account. And that's how easily you can log into Netflix. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.